Welcome to Budget Buy Food Shopping. Okay, we're trying to get food for cheap but healthy, pretty healthy, and for less money.
You got the cilantro here, 2 for $1, right? You only need one, so.
We got tomatoes.
And you know, regular onions have sugar in the green onions, so totally. All right.
Yes, they're out of brown rice, so I'm gonna get some Zatarans, black beans, and rice.
Okay, here I got some tortillas. These are low carbs, right? And then I got the chuck roast. See, it was just $13, $13.37, right? Normally double that.
Okay, we add the chuck roast to the Croc-Pot, and we'll add seasonings, turmeric. We got cumin, red pepper chips, also onion powder, and we got a little bit of salt and pepper. Also, we got the sazon goya, and then we got a little parsley there, and yes, we'll just add whatever you like. I got a little mustard, dry mustard there, and then we're gonna perforate it to get it all nice and juicy on the inside. Add some apple cider vinegar. We add some teriyaki sauce and some lime and sweet and sour. We want to touch all the palate, you know what I'm saying? And then we'll perforate it, and then I'll add a little sriracha, you know what I'm saying? Then add those onions and cilantro, and there you go. And then we'll add some water, right? And then when it's almost done, we'll take out the grease there. And then what we'll do from there is we'll add the black beans and rice, that mixture, that Zatarans, and then we'll cook it for about another maybe a half hour or so, maybe an hour, and let it sit, absorb all the juices, and then we'll add that green onion on top and some lime juice, and then we'll cook it.
This is leftover oil in the skillet here. Yes, try not to add oil and water to a hot pan. Just try to heat it up first. Yes, I'm gonna add some more seasoning. And now you want to just slowly pour in some flour. Yes, continue to stir. Whip it up. Whip it.
In the food processor, I'm going to add some onions, tomatoes, cilantro, right? Some chipotle peppers, a touch of salt there.
Now we'll blend it.
A little lime to it. Okay, let's move the onions over. Here we go, guys. Yeah, we got the little onion over there, and then we got the meat. Nice and tender too. I'm gonna add a little of that gravy to the, the chipotle